tu thutha wa thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yongerera ihinda ria kafyu na thiko 30. Akenya ni mahinyiriirio guthie na mbere na kurumirira mawatho na mitaratara iria gathikitwo niguo gwithema kumana na uhotekeku wa bururi gukorwo kigomerwo ni ikereka ria gatano ria COVID-19.
We are just going through the end of the fourth wave, and as we've seen, the first wave led to a higher second wave, led to a higher third wave, and now we can get a higher fifth wave. This is the time to get people vaccinated. Vaccination is for prevention.
Kurigana na muikariri gite wa uheani wa jajo Dagitari Willis Akwale, muingi kuma icigo cia Nyanza na Western udumwe na kaunti cia Kajiado na Narok ni marekururia guthie kwamukira jajo ya murimu uyu.
A county like Kakamega with an eligible population of 1 million people who should be vaccinated, the fully vaccinated are only 20,000. Likewise, Homa Bay, with an eligible population of 600,000, only 10,000 are fully vaccinated. This should be concerning to all of us as Kenyans. We now have enough doses. With this delivery, we now have 6.5 million doses. On Friday, we will be getting almost 1 million doses from various countries. So we have enough doses to ensure we reach 5.8 million.
Kenya omuthi ni amukirire jajo 252 muthemba wa Johnson & Johnson na gukinyiria jajo 393 muthemba uyu iria gukinyaniria na riu iguritwo ni thirikari guku ciringi bilioni 14 ikigwo keherini ni gukotithia thirikari guthie na mbere na kugura jajo ici.
We know that there are challenges in terms of production, but that these are being solved, and therefore we are hoping that in the coming weeks we should be receiving more doses of Johnson & Johnson, which will drive our vaccination program much faster.
Maya mokete orere Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe na uria ugikinyetie mbere ya kamiti ya Senate igi ugima wa mwiri augite ya Kenya marikoragwo makiamukira jajo o mwaka niguo guteithiriria hari gwitiria mororo ma COVID-19. Gukinyeria na riu bururi wa mukirite jajo milioni 3.5 kuria Kenya milioni 4 nio mathecetwo jajo ya mbere na jajo ya keri. Ihinda-inĩ rĩa thikũ 14 thirikari ĩrĩ na matanya magukorwo ethecete jajo andũ milioni 1.8 mũrigo rĩu ũgĩtigĩrwo a Kenya gukorwo makĩyumĩria kwamũkĩra jajo ya COVID-19. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV ndĩkĩaro-inĩ kĩa ndege kĩa Jomo Kenyatta, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjirũ wa Foro.